यत् पिंडे तत् ब्रह्मा.
The first time I entered the Brahman, I sat in silence and I closed my eyes. For me, an entire lifetime just passed by like a time lapse. I could see children crying, I could see old people, I could see sick people, I could see happy people running in fields. I could see so many things encapsulated within one moment. It was like just zipping through an entire lifespan of flora, fauna, mountains, clouds, rivers drying up, rivers filling up. I think it's all Maya in the end, and it's all about you breaking free of that and going in a shunya, and being there. And I think I found my silence there. There was a desire and a need to build a community. When we started to build the art village, earth was our primary medium for construction. When we suggested and we proposed that we make some kind of a shrine, my first thought was, why don't we make an egg? Because I wanted to go back to the primary structure which had fascinated me in the first place, but we had not been able to accomplish for whatever reasons. So we formed the A Cube Collaborative, where each member holds an equal amount of position, and any one member can propose an idea, and the other two members help him or her to execute it.
I'm Savya Mahajan. I'm an artist. I am a ceramist. I work with clay and I work in the form of drawing. When I heard about the A Cube as an idea, as a concept, was very exciting to me because I believe in the power of collaboration. I was going through this very intense time in my life. It was just a very chaotic 1 month of my life, and it was also this time where I just wanted to run away or get away from the city and find this quiet space and just be and just find some answers. That silent or that quietude that I experienced was something that came from a very deep space within me, where that pause or that silence just made me look inside myself and made me just look at the turmoil, face to face with myself. And there was this kind of a trigger where I felt like the body is a vessel for silence and turmoil at the same time, and that was like the realization of that day. There had to be a moment of surrender. There had to be this moment of faith and trust that what you are imagining or envisioning as an artist is going to be translated and refined further on by the other creative individuals that are part of this AQ.
thing was very clear. They want to go closer to the nature, and then I started exploring the egg, and I take a hen egg. I started understanding the geometry of the egg and the strength and the wall thickness versus the height ratios and proportions, and I was checking the mathematical curve, what kind of a curve it has, and it brings me a lot of fascinating fact. We have built one small 1/4 scale model in my backyard, and to explore the possibility, what will be the construction method, what kind of a strength we are getting, are we able to do it or not, how it looks, if in the terms of the space, will it be the way it looks in the drawings and in an artistic view, it will be really able to create such experiences.
Biggest challenge was the scaffolding of the Brahman. Because when you're working at 7 meters high, how you ensure the artisan's safety and still get the work done?
Laminated tile dome technique is used traditionally in Catalonia, part of Spain, and is dating back 15th century. In which very thin tiles have been used as in layers and in a crisscross manner, so it works like a fabric. And when you on the first layer we use plaster of Paris, which sets very fast, so it gives immediate bond, so no foam work is required, no supporting structure or a foam work is required. A very small thin section give a tremendous strength. For me, there is structurally it's a very efficient method of a construction.
As an architect, I was playing the role to bridge the gap between the artist's concept and physical manifestation by the artisan.
सब अलग अलग अपनी सोच रखते हैं वहाँ पे और कैसे डिसीजन लेते हैं, उसमें वो डिसीजन कैसे लेते हैं, अपनी सोच रखते हैं, वो जानने में बहुत ही मज़ा आता है। उसमें जो हाइट है उसकी कैसे उनको कवर करेंगे, पहला लेयर कैसे स्टार्ट कर कैसे पूरा करेंगे, वो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट था। और वो कैसे पूरा करेंगे वही बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट। जब पूरा हुआ तो ऐसा लगे कि आज मैंने जो पहले सोचा था मेरा सपना आज बहुत साकार हो गया है। बहुत ही अंदर से बहुत अच्छी फीलिंग आई।
I think silence is the best teacher anybody can ever have. Spending time in silence is the key to almost any and every problem in our lives. And through the Brahman, I hope that people are able to come here and spend some time with themselves and hope they can find answers to whatever it is that they're looking for.
Personal space an artist has, sharing that with your friends, with your buddies, with your artist, only makes it much bigger. This whole A-Cube thing where different people from very different expertise were coming together to construct one single thing, I think it was something which I had been thinking of doing for a long time. But for me, I was just going to be behind the camera, but it was a really beautiful experience to see that many artists with their various egos can come together and really work.
Those silent moments are some of the things which I related with the Brahman. And that whole idea of coming from a chaos to something very silent, something very minimal in its nature, and something so basic where you can just go sit inside and be with yourself.
Sit in silence and visit yourself, even if it is for 2 minutes or 2 hours. Being silent is more than holding your tongue. It means listening for the softness, most subtle sound of all, the sound of the soul.